Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. The devotees know there is God and He is Bhagavan. God is called Bhagavan. Therefore, although it is said here, Bhagavad Gita is spoken by Krishna, everyone knows, but in some places in the Bhagavad Gita it is described as Bhagavan Uvas. Bhagavan and Krishna, the same person. Krishna Su Bhagavan Usayam. Bhagavan, there is a definition of the word Bhagavan. Aishajyasya samagras virjasya jasasasya jnana vairagyayasya sara iti bhavangana. Bhava, you will understand the word Bhagavan. Bhagya, the Bhagya, Bhagavan, this word comes from Bhaga. Bhaga means opulence. Opulence means riches. How one man can be opulent? If he has got money, if he has got intelligence, if he has got beauty, if he has got reputation, if he has got knowledge, if he has got renunciation, this is the meaning of Bhagavan. So when we speak Bhagavan, this Bhagavan, the Parameshwara, Ishvara, Parameshwara, Atma, Paramatma, Brahma, Parabrahma, there is two words. One is ordinary and the other is Param, supreme. Just like in our cooking process, we can cook varieties of rice. Rice is there, the varieties of names are there. Anna, Paramanna, Pushpanna, Khichuranna, like that. So, the supreme Anna is called Paramanna. Param means the supreme. Anna, the rice is there, but it has become supreme. Ordinary rice is not called supreme rice. This is also rice. And when you prepare rice with kheer, means milk and other nice ingredients, it is called Paramanna. Similarly, the symptoms of living entities and Bhagavan, one is practically the same. Bhagavan, we have got this body, Bhagavan has got this body. Bhagavan is also living being, we are also living. Bhagavan has got creative energy, we have also creative energy. But the difference is, he is very great. Eko jo bahunam vidadhati kama. When Bhagavan creates this whole universe, he does not require anyone's help. He creates the sky, from the sky there is sound, from the sound there is air, from the air there is fire, from fire there is water, and from water the earth is there. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama,